Hello, today we will guide you through how to fork a repository in GitLab. To begin, open GitLab in your web browser and make sure you are on the home page. Forking a repository is a useful way to create your own copy of an existing project, which allows you to make changes without affecting the original source. This is especially helpful when you want to experiment, contribute, or manage your own version of a project. Once you are on the GitLab homepage, look for the Projects option in the main navigation area and click on it. This will take you to the section where you can browse and access repositories available in your account or workspace. From the Projects page, select the repository you want to fork. In this example, you would click on the demo repository shown on the screen. The important part here is simply choosing the project you want to copy into your own space. After you open the repository, you will be taken to its main overview page where you can review the project details, files, and available actions. Next, move to the top right area of the repository page and click the Fork button. This tells GitLab that you want to create a separate copy of the repository under your own account or selected namespace. If you do not immediately see the button, take a moment to scan the upper right corner of the page, since that is typically where repository actions are grouped. After clicking Fork, GitLab will open a form where you need to enter the required information. Fill in the necessary details carefully. Depending on your setup, this may include choosing where the fork should be created and confirming project information. It is a good idea to quickly review everything before continuing, so the fork is created in the correct location. Once all required information has been entered, click Fork Project. GitLab will then begin creating your fork. This may take a few moments, depending on the size of the repository and your connection speed. When the process is complete, you will have your own forked copy of the repository. From there, you can start making edits, testing changes, or working independently while keeping the original project untouched. And that's it. You have successfully forked a repository in GitLab.